Hello, my crafty friends. I am so excited to be bringing you another crafty haul from Echo Park. This includes my Be Happy collection, as well as my wood grain. I've got brown and white, and I'll be showing that in just a moment. Let's start with my Be Happy. This is going to go great with my embellishments. Very cute sticker sheet. I love my stickers. I use them for the insides of my cards mostly. Here's a nice pretty black plaid buffalo check. Oh, look at that. So cute. The colors are very cool too. A honey pot with the bees. And here's some cut aparts. Very cute. Just be you. Be kind. And here's a beautiful green. Look at that. Beautiful flowers. And here's a cool yellow and black buffalo check. And a beehive. I have some ideas what I can do with this one. Oh, look. Little hearts. Cute. And here's some smaller cut aparts. And some yellow hearts. Ooh, look at that. Shasta daisies looks like. Oh, wow, look at that. That would make a neat nighttime sky, wouldn't it? Oh, look at the cute little bees. Oh, I guess that's one piece. This is Echo Park paper. I can tell by the roughness or the lack thereof. And this is real pretty stripe. And some more cut aparts. And a honeycomb. And there's bees buzzing around the flowers. How cute. And another yellow buffalo check. And lots of bees. Very cute. I love bees. And here's some more. They can go sideways or up and down, either or. And some bigger cut aparts. Very cute. Different sizes. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. I love that. And here's a pretty blue. And look at those flowers. Gorgeous. Okay, so there is my bee collection. Be happy. Now let's get into our wood grains. I love wood grain paper. It was on sale. They have sales all the time. And that is probably my favorite. And this is just plain brown. Ooh, wow, there's so many pretty things in here. Wow, look at that. It looks like the top of a table, doesn't it? Beautiful. Wow. Oh, let's look at the back. Yeah, just another plain brown. Ooh. Yep. Wow, nice. It looks like, it reminds me of my dining room table back in the day. This is pretty, like wood paneling on a wall. Very nice. And again, it's just plain on the back. Oh, and this looks like what's on my kitchen floor. That's too cute. And again, just plain on the back. Now this one, I'm going to be using for my next set of cards. So if you don't want to miss that, please consider subscribing. But this is really, really cool. Now let's see what's on the back. Just wait. Yep. Oh, and here's kind of a pinky color. Oh, and we do have some extra pieces, light brown in here. Okay. All right. Good. Now these are the pieces that I'm probably going to use for my cards. They're going to go up and down like this. So please stay tuned for that. Oh, and here's some darker brown, but we could use that too. Why not? And this is, okay. Yeah, this would work too. Beautiful. So here are all my fun collections that I'm going to be using very, very soon. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.